Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Getting right into it. This log is pretty big. I'm 6'1". You guys can see it's pretty tall. This is like 5 something. Looking to carve the Grinch out of this. You guys already saw the thumbnail probably and leading up to this this video, but really excited for this carve. This has been in the making since 2023. It's now December 2024. Started it back in 2023, got busy with orders and had to set it aside. This is one of those pieces I just wanted to make, so it's not like an order or anything. There's really no time frame on it. I just wanted to create a carving with the Grinch, you know, something I could put in my truck, cruise around, maybe put in one of the stores later on or out front of my place. Who knows? Just something fun to do, and I think I achieved that. I'm pretty happy with this carving. Hopefully, you guys will stick around and watch the full video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all so you guys don't miss future uploads or lives. We carve live a lot on this channel, and I appreciate everybody that tunes in. Also, big shout out to my members. You guys help support the channel directly, monthly, whether you buy me a coffee or you're at a different carving tier and different things like that I offer, and I really, really do appreciate you guys. If anybody watching is interested in supporting the channel, you guys can always click that join tab. If anybody wants as well, we'll have a shopping bag with channel merch, logo merch, Carver Starve, Keep Gripping and Ripping merch. You guys can find that stuff in that shopping bag. And if you want to make a purchase of one of my smaller carvings, I have those available in the Shopify store, which is in the description of the video below. So be sure to check that out before you go. And let me know what you guys think. And enjoy. Hey guys, here's the Grinch. Listen, I made a little mistake. I got excited to get him finished to bring him around to Christmas parties, and I forgot to shoot the end of the video. So here we are in the bed of the truck. I'll give you guys the best look that I can. All one piece, one solid log, painted, finished. Here's the arm wrapping around the tree. I apologize for the shots. Got the bag right around the back. We got them all strapped in. We're driving around with them. Not a piece that's sold, just a piece for fun. Something I wanted to do, but with Christmas parties and events coming up here in the next several days, I wanted to bring them around. You know, the kids love this kind of stuff. People want to get pictures with them at family events and things. So that was my priority of getting it done, you know, and getting it loaded. And then I said, oh crud, I forgot to shoot the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. And you guys, have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy that time together. And hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys later.